How to apply for Best Buy credit card online. Hello and welcome to our YouTube channel How to Tutorials. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can apply for Best Buy credit card online. To apply for Best Buy credit card online, first of all you need to open any web browser on your device, and here in the search bar you need to type in bestbuy.com. Then press this go button at the bottom right to search for it. Within a while, you will be taken to the official website of Best Buy. Once you reach to this page, here tap on the menu icon at the bottom left. Once doing that, you will reach to this page. Here you need to scroll down until you find these credit cards. You will also find the option of gift card. If you want to apply for gift card, you may also tap on this gift card option and fill out the application form. Since we are going to apply for credit card, you need to tap on this credit card option. Now you will be taken to this page. Here you will find this Apply Now button. Tap on Apply Now. After tapping on Apply Now, here you need to confirm your information. Check whether your first name, last name, email and phone number are correct. If it is incorrect, you may also tap on Update Your Information right here, and from there you can correct your information. Now after that, tap on this Confirm and Continue button. You will reach to this page now. Here you will need to fill out this application form. Enter your first name, last name, email address and your phone number. After that, tap on this Continue button below. Here you need to enter your street address, city, state and zip code. After entering it, tap on this Continue button at the bottom. Now here you will need to select more details about your income. Select the first box and choose your residence status. Also choose the monthly housing payment. After that, enter your date of birth here, your total annual net income and your social security number. And now here you will need to double check your information whether they are correctly entered or not. If the information are incorrect, you may also get to change it by tapping on this change option at the bottom of each section. And once you have checked all the details here, scroll down and tap on Continue. After that, here you will need to review the terms and conditions. Scroll down to read all the terms and conditions, review them, and now finally tap on the check boxes here to agree the terms and conditions. After that, you need to tap on Submit Application, and your application will be submitted successfully. Once the application is submitted, you will need to wait for the confirmation email from Best Buy. And once the application is approved, you will be able to get your Best Buy credit card. So by following these steps, you should be able to apply for Best Buy credit card online. I hope this tutorial was helpful. If yes, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Also hit that bell icon to never miss any updates from us. Thank you for watching.